Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain you the maneuver which is called pull up on a right and reverse 2-car length. In another video, I also have explained with my one of the PDI who she was preparing for a part 2 training. So we did maneuvers. I'm going to break it down for everyone. The reason behind this maneuver is they introduced. They said nowadays we have to park the car on the right side also, and to move safely from the right side to the back to your left side of the road. So this maneuver will be asked while you're driving the car, and the guideline is, which when they introduce, is they will ask in medium traffic flow roads, not very high, not very empty, so medium traffic flow roads, they will ask you to do this maneuver. And this maneuver will be asked while you're driving the car, not you stop somewhere and they will ask you to do this maneuver, but while driving the car they will ask you this maneuver. The wording they are going to use is, when it's safe to do so, I like you to pull up on the right hand side. Now for this particular maneuver, you can pull up on the right hand side on the single yellow line. You can pull up in front of the driveways. As far you can pull up safely for oncoming traffic to the other side of the road is okay. The second part of it is to reverse 2-car length. So exactly 2-car length, they will not ask you to stop when to stop, but they expect you to stop the car when it's 2-car length. And then the third part of it is move off safely. Again, you're going to do your preparation, observation, and move off. Thank you for watching this one. In next video, I'm gonna exercise this maneuver and show you how to perform this maneuver safely. If there is car coming from the front, you can give your mirror signal and stop middle of the road, like you turning right into the major to minor road. Similar way, you can stop also, wait for the car to pass, and then you pull up on the right hand side. Second thing, keep in mind when you're doing this maneuver, try to pull up if there's parked cars on the right hand side, so try to pull up between the bigger gap. So that bigger gap will help you to reverse the 2-car length. Plus, when you keep the bigger gap, so you have observation around you to see what's coming from the front and back. While doing this maneuver, you need to keep a safety bubble around you safe. That means any person walking next to us, we're not going to move. Any vehicle coming towards us from the front and the back, we're not going to move. Now that's the distance you're going to judge that when you move in the car, they should not come very close to you, and you stop once they come past, you start your maneuver again. But observation is key point on this one, that you should be looking the shoulder where you're traveling. Fine, I'm going to break it down for you, for especially for who's doing for the part 2 test, or any learner driver who want to do your day test in the UK. Let's move on. I'm going to move off from here. So if they ask me to this maneuver, the wording is, when it's safe to do so, I like you to pull up on the right hand side. So you can see this bollards are there, refuge island. I'm not going to pull up here. And further down on the road, there's a junction on the right hand side. I'm going to go past the junction. So that's the safe gap on the right side, more clear gap. I'm going to check my mirrors here, signal upright, and move to the right side now. I'm going to pull up here next to the red car and stop here. I'm going to into the signal off. The second part is reverse 2-car length. I'm going to check observation around me. I'm allowed to take my seat belt off if you want to. There's pedestrian there behind me, so I'll be aware of that pedestrian there. I'm not. It's my safety bubble. So they're doing something with the van. If there is safety and you cannot do the maneuver, ask the examiner that it's not safe for me to reverse. See, this car is reversing also. I'm going to wait for them to clear it, and they will ask you to move out if there is some immediate danger that you cannot do this maneuver. So they're going forward. That car is coming. I'm going to move the car now, looking back. looking back, looking around, looking my safety bubble, keep good reversing, keep my reference point in my mind so I know I'm not going too far, not to the curve and not to the road also. So this is 1 car length. I parked with the next red car, so this 1 car length, and one more car, this van. I'm gonna go beyond this point. So this car coming from behind me, I'm gonna stop a little bit more. I have to reverse again, look back, look around, and this is my 2 car length here. I'm gonna secure, and they will ask you move off and ready please. So I'm gonna put in the gears, observation, all the way to the left shoulder, signal down, over the shoulder again, and move the car down. The whole idea of this maneuver is that you can pull up safely to the right side, and you can move off safely from the right side to the left, back to your side of the road. Hope that helpful for you guys, anyone who is doing their part 2 test, or any learner driver going for their test.